Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the head unit of a Suzuki ciaz GL80 transmission. This can also be applicable for other Suzuki type of car that uses the same head unit. So basically the problem is every time I turn on the engine, the head unit turns out to be like this. It keeps asking me to calibrate it. So first step that we need to do is we need to follow the instructions here on the screen. Perform the calibration. Just press those targets. Okay. Wait for 30 seconds. So it just suddenly happened to me, this problem. As soon as I turn on the engine, it keeps asking to calibrate the screen. It doesn't go back to its original screen, which is the radio screen. Okay, so right now it's back to its radio screen. So what we need to do next is we press this button, menu, okay, and we swipe it to the left. We press this, settings, and then we on the right side you swipe it up and look for this that says others. Press it and you will see this factory default. Press this button, drop down button, and then press yes. So after that, it will basically put your head unit back to its factory default settings. So after this, it will ask you to calibrate the screen again. So it's normal. Every time you put the screen back to its factory default settings, it will ask you to calibrate it. So this should be the last time that you will do it. You press on the targets again. Just do what it says. Okay, it's done. Wait for another 30 seconds. So after this, we will turn off the engine and see what happens. So you shouldn't be asking for us to calibrate the screen again as soon as we turn on the engine. Okay, all right. So now your head unit is back to its original factory default settings. What we're gonna do next is we will turn off the engine, see what happens. First we turn off the AC. Okay, now the engine is off. Okay, we turn the engine back on. Wait for a few seconds. Okay. Alright, the engine is now back on. And let's see what happens to the head unit. Alright, there you go. It didn't ask for us to calibrate it, okay? Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much.